let's continue. PHP, if we want to get all the data based on whether or not these customers have been assigned to us or not. So we go if, excuse me, let's do our colon and let's do this so we can kind of do that. Else, and go like that, and if. Again, PHP conventions, this is nothing different. I forgot to do in my main, I forgot to do one of my favorites, new data. And that'll be margin top, 10 pixels. Margin bottom, 10 pixels. Font style, italic. Okay. And that's if, excuse me, if customers count, let's see if it lets me do that, is less than 1. Then we'll go class, no data, no second customers available. Else, we'll do a for each and for each, and we'll do for each. Else, actually, I forgot. Else, if customers detail status, right? Is that it? Detail status. Yeah, status equals U. And then within that, and we'll just go in. If, even when things are there to make be made easy for you, there's still a pain in the ass. And we'll go for each customers as CU, and then we'll just do something here. I don't know. For now, we'll just show a name or something. We'll just go customers first name. I think that's what it was, right? Customers first name. Just do that. I mean, we don't have anything. We'll go into it once we start putting customers in. And then on this side, we'll go if customers count is less than 1. We're probably going to have to do a row count because it's going to freak out. Else, you can put the colon right next to it. You can put it where that, pretty much wherever you want. And if, and we'll just go if p class equals no data, no fucking customers assigned to you. And else, we'll do PHP if customers detail status equals A und customers detail assigned ID equals this request get session read ID. Meaning that if the status of this customer is assigned and the assigned ID, I think that's what I called it, right? Let's double check. Assigned ID is the logged in user's ID. Then at that point, you're going to have, so this is why I miss Laravel and all of its extensions. And if, then at that point, you're going to have the for each customers as CA, and again, we'll just, that's probably going to be the last, no, the last thing we're going to do is going to be the notes. the Ajax notes. And then again, we'll just do customers, just so you can see the difference. I don't know if this thing's gonna freak out. I think we should be okay. It usually gives me a hard time with the count functionality. We'll see. No, there you go. So no fucking customers. And I forgot to center this. Center. Let's go to main. Text align center. Forgot that. Again, as you can see, if you don't have any customers, then you have nothing to post here. We're done with the dashboard for now. Like once we get, let's make these bigger. Let's see what 500 looks like. If 500 looks goofy, then we'll just take that out. And we're not gonna our display of the customers and whatever. It's not gonna be that wide, so we don't have to worry about that. But what I like to do is I like to sort of go into the whole profile thing first, get that out of the way, and then once we're done with the profile, it's just the customers. There's really nothing that we have to do. We post new customers, we look at the new customers, we assign new customers, which we're going to do when we update the customer or whatever. So it's really not a big deal. This will not take that long, despite what it's looked like so far. Now we have to make a view users page, view.php. And then we have to tell it in the routes that we're going to be doing a view, otherwise it will have a conniption fit, and we do not want the framework to have a conniption fit. You don't want to see them, so view. Hold on, I think, yeah. View. And then we just go like this. I think controller. I may not have to. I think it does it on its own, but action view. I think automatically it'll just put the users in there. And while I'm at it, let's be adventurous and let's put in the edit. We'll get back to, we should be done with all this and starting to build customers by tomorrow. I mean, it's like today's a holiday. It's Sunday morning. I like to just kind of get this done. But hopefully, we only did 7 minutes. But hopefully it's still informative for you. I don't think I need you. I don't think I need you. I do need you, though. I don't think I need you. And right now I don't need you. I kind of don't need you either. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. And I don't need you. We already have the view template, group page. We have the route, and now we just got to put it in here. Oh, wait. Public function view ID. And what we do is we go like that. We say user equals this user's find by ID. ID. You can do first or fail. And then we go, if first or fail means if you don't find it, then you error it out. And then really we don't have to do anything else. There's nothing else going on. We're just going to view everything. So we pass the variable, and then we got to set our, we got to set everything. Set title, and it'll be, see, this is one of the reasons why I like being able to do titles in the page, but whatever, we'll just go do the concatenation, not title, profile. And that's going to be, like, typically I like when you're looking at your own profile, it says your profile as opposed to that, but whatever. So initials will be, This is when things get a little bit difficult. User initials equals this user's, oh no, current user. Yeah, whatever. Current user equals this. We have to separate them now. Find by ID, request, get session. We have to separate at this point the person that's logged in and the person whose profile you're looking at. That's what we're doing here. Contain profiles first. And now that that's broken down, we can just go like this. Initials equals current user profile initials. And then of course this set user equals user. If we were to look at the view, you can go to other people's profiles. You can only go to your own dashboard. We will look at the view now. We go to profile. I can't clear my freaking throat. Okay, there we go. Everything here is the same. Nothing's changed. And now we can just kind of build something in here. So we go div class equals profile wrapper. This is going to be a little intricate, so I'm not going to finish this right now. Div. But typically the way I would do it is that first we go with the header, H4, and now we can do an if then else. If user ID equals this get this request get session read ID. Then we'll just output your profile. Else we will output username. I don't know, we're gonna have to do this. I think. Do I have to do that? Well, we'll figure it out. And if, and that'll be in the H4, and then beneath there we'll go, forgot, class, profile, interior. And I like to kind of put another, like a picture in there, but, or the initials. So we'll go wait, hold on, we'll go div class equals profile pic. So that's the whole thing. And then within that profile pic, we're going to go, should I break it down even more? No, we'll see how it looks. Do another PHP, if user profile, and I called it image, I think. Image, yeah. Image equals blank. Then we're going to output another div class profile pic initials, and we'll just output the user profile initials. Else, and then make sure you always end your ifs. Else we'll go div class equals profile pic interior. Yeah, and then we'll go div, and then we'll get the image. And the way that we do the image the way that we present the image, I should say. Let me just go back here. Because they do it in a specific way here in Cake. It seems helpful. It can be. But I just want to double check. Templates, users, view. See, it's image, and then you just put in the image. We have this HTML image. We don't need to put the image in. We can just go like this. This HTML image, and what that does is it looks for this folder in the images folder, and then we just go user profile image, and I don't think we have to close that out. Right? So we don't have to put image source or any of that stuff. We just put that, and then it'll find it. And let me see, we are at 16. All right, we're gonna stop here. When I come back, we'll finish. Let me just show you what we've done so far. If we go like that, damn it. Yeah, I can't do it that way. Shit. Oh yeah, duh. Gotta do like this. Forgot for a second. There you go. Image on null, initials on null. Why is that? Oh, I didn't contain it. Okay. If we were to go to 4, see, and if we would go to 3, your profile. See how that works? Okay, so like I said, tomorrow we'll come back, we'll finish this, we'll do the edit, and hopefully we should be able to finish all that and then start doing customers. I'll see you then.